even if you was not in Tanzania, but you have heard a song from one of the Tanzanian. Sure, Hakuna Africa Pavilion, Africa Hour.
One of my highlights of 2023 was visiting the Global Village Dubai. It was awesome. It was captivating. It was mesmerizing. Here I am. And yeah, I thought I needed to take you through a bit of what I experienced this year. If you're new to this channel, this is Lesson World. Hit the subscribe button to travel the world with me and give this video a thumbs up. Enjoy! As someone raised and born in Africa, it was a must that I visit the Africa Pavilion, and I made my way through the crowds, and it was worth it, and I am taking you along with me. So hope you enjoy the Africa Pavilion. Just from no money. What do you? Yes. When you have money, just. Oh, so much. I'm trying to catch my siblings. Zimbabwe.
Even if you was not in Tanzania, but you have heard a song from one of the Tanzanian. Sure, hakuna Africa Pavilion. Africa, our African book.
Well, I hope you've enjoyed a sneak peek into Africa through the lens of the Global Village Dubai. If you've enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, share, comment, and like. Do watch the next videos coming up and see you in the next vlog. Thank you.